MTD Global, our EMO 2019. We're on the Hanwha stand. I'm here with Willie Young, and we're going to be looking at the Hanwha machines. Now, has the show been good for you to start with?
So far, so many customers visit, and also we had a many meeting. So I think it's the after meeting, so we're gonna get the many order from the customer. So until now, so far it's good.
Sliding head technology in your machines.
Yes.
Give us a couple of points that you believe make your machines different to others in this area.
So anyway, so just to introduce our company, we are located in Korea. So Korea manufacturers. So all machine from the Korea. So this is we are the only specialized in Swiss time machine. The others competitor is making others turning center machine, but we are only focused on sliding head. So it means we are the very specialized in Korea's sliding head machine. So we are selling the whole market, especially Europe market. We are a very good performance from here. So Swiss time machine. So we have up to from 3 to 42 diameter. The whole size is available. So we are also developing other models as well. Yeah.
I looked at some of the power on some of your spindles.
Yes.
Sort of 26. Is it 26 kilowatts on some of your spindles? I mean, that's unheard of, isn't it, on sliding head machines?
Yes. The reason is that compared with other Swiss time machines, so we are using two different types of NC controller. So other competitor using is a funnel only, but we have also G-Mass model. G-Mass is more powerful motor power. We got it. So look at that. This model is also we are applies G-Mass NC controller. That is why we got a 26 kilometer power from the machine. So but other competitor has only funnel. Funnel is a little different. So that is why. So our performance is better than its other competitor here.
Okay, let's move this way a little bit, Willie. I just want to look at this machine here, because this is really a demonstration or an illustration of the advanced technologies that Hanwha are producing. This is a big market for you, this sort of multitasking machine.
Yes, you're right. So this model, so we have more axis. Maximum is a 13 axis. 13 axis means that it's moving is a 13 moving, and also there is a lot of tools we can attach it. So it can be possible to make it medical and also automotive part and also job shop part. The all of this part we can make it using by our STL model.
Do you sell many of these? Have you sold lots of these?
I'm sorry.
Have you sold lots of these machines?
Yeah, especially Italy and Germany and all Europe market. So recently this year we sold this machine. One of our customer they purchased one time 12 machine. Yeah, in Germany. So
okay,
interesting.
Well, let's move this way, because I want to just then pick out one more machine here. I'm going to look at this XD16. Now this is actually is this one of your smallest machines?
Yeah, smallest machine. So now we are making this using this machine. So medical some implant part. So small diameter machine is a very specialized in medical sector. So this machine is quite popular in medical center. Look at that inside. So we special air spindle we install it. So
this is what I was going to ask you. Yeah, the air spindle. What's that for? That gives you the ability to do burring and sort of fine drilling up to 30,000 RPM.
Now it's 12,000 RPM. That machine has a 30,000 RPM, but now it's 12,000 RPM air spindle motor. So we're gonna make some small size area. We're gonna make a more precision area. So we're gonna make it. So.
Okay, let's finish off over here. The XD26-2. Which is your? If you just want to turn a little bit that way, Willie, just to face the camera. Is this one of your most popular machines as well?
Yes, you are right. This is the most popular model. So this is we apply the final controller and also up to 26 diameter machine. So Swiss time machine, we are mainly 20 and 26 is the main our target market. So automotive and some medical or as an electronic part. Almost all customer using 26 is the main hours of machine area. Yeah.
Great stuff. Thank you very much. What a terrific insight into Hanwha, a big producer, as it appears, of sliding head and multitasking technology. Thank you very much, Willie, for your time.
Thank you. So.